In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write negative prompt in ClipDrop. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to guide the AI to create what you want, while steering it away from the things you don't. Negative prompts are simply instructions that tell the model what to avoid, and they're one of the most effective ways to clean up results and reduce common artifacts. To begin, open your browser and go to clipdrop.co. On the home page, find the navigation menu and select Tools. This opens ClipDrop's collection of AI utilities. From there, choose Text to Image. This is your workspace, and you'll see two key areas: your main prompt, which describes what you want, and your negative prompt, which tells the model what to leave out. Start with the main prompt. Be specific and visual. Rather than typing a living room, try a cozy modern living room with warm lighting, a soft gray sofa, a wooden coffee table, and a large window showing sunset light. Clear nouns, strong adjectives, and a simple structure help the model lock onto your intent. Think about subject, setting, style, and mood, and keep your language clean and direct. Now look for the negative prompt box. This is where you list what you don't want. Focus on common issues and unwanted styles. For example, you might write blurry, low resolution, text, watermark, distorted hands, extra fingers, oversaturated colors, grainy, deformed faces. Separate ideas with commas, move from general to specific, and avoid contradictions. If your main prompt asks for a portrait, don't include no faces. If you want a realistic photo, exclude cartoon, line art, anime. If you want a clean composition, try removing busy background, clutter, motion blur. Natural phrasing works well, and short, clear terms are easier for the model to interpret. When both prompts are ready, click Generate. The model will create images based on your description, while the negative prompt filters out the elements you listed. Review the results with a critical eye. Notice what improved and what still needs work. If you still see text artifacts, add text, captions, subtitles to the negative prompt. If colors feel too intense, include oversaturated, high contrast. If proportions look off, try distorted anatomy, deformed, exaggerated features. Make incremental changes so you can see exactly which edit helped. That's the whole workflow. Open ClipDrop, go to Tools, choose Text to Image, write a clear prompt, add a targeted negative prompt, and generate. With practice, you will find a balance that consistently delivers clean,